Aquarius, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity, all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental ailments, physical illness is at an all-time high, plaguing us at the age of an all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my Fountain of Youth technique. But before that, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day, Aquarius, is pay attention to the small things. Be present. Don't worry about the past. The past is gone. You're a new, entirely new, stronger being. The future, you already have victory. There's no reason to worry about how your victory is going to be when you're going to be living great. Enjoy the present. Every day that you spend in freedom, peace, and love is a free life. And you become a free spirit, a free being, and then you enjoy everything. The smallest source of joy, the smallest lesson, the smallest strategic plan or strategy that you've been using, during this time is going to make a huge difference. Put it in your backpack, put it in your think bank, because as times transition and you run into an obstacle once again, you'll remember the small things. As we say in this page, the smallest screw on a table, if it falls out, it'll take down the whole stability of the table. The table will fall apart. So the small things, the small battles, not just the huge victory, because you have victory, but remember along the way to stay in the present. Enjoy all the small and huge things. I am attentive to all that manifests within me. When negativity rises within me, I transform that into light and positivity, love and hope. There is no weapon formed against you that can fight against light, love, and hope. My love for others is unconditional, and I forgive. That is huge. Being able to forgive frees up so much more space for positive blessings, manifestations, breakthrough in life, and just being able to enjoy, not having to survive, but you can live in peace. My desire to improve is constant, and I'm firm, brave, hardworking. You're consistent. You're firm. You're strong. You're brave. You're hardworking because you never give up, and that's why you always win. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.